Hey everyone, welcome to the Rose English channel. I'm Jack and I'm super excited you're here with us today.
And I'm Rose. Hello, hello, friends. We're so happy you joined us. This is our fun place to chat in English, just like real friends hanging out.
Exactly, no boring lessons, no tests, just easy, natural talk that makes you smile and learn without noticing.
And guess what? Yesterday, Jack went to a restaurant.
Yeah, it was amazing. The food, the lights, everything. I couldn't stop thinking about it.
That's perfect, because today our whole episode is about restaurants. Eating out, ordering food, chatting with waiters, all the fun stuff.
I love restaurants. You sit down, look at the menu, and suddenly you're hungry for everything.
Same. Tell us about yesterday. Walk us through it. I want to feel like I was there.
Okay, picture this. I push open the door, little bell goes ding ding, the place smells like fresh bread and garlic. The waiter smiles big and says, "Hi, welcome. Table for one?"
Table for one. That's when you're eating alone, right? But it can still be fun.
Totally. He leads me to a cozy table by the window, hands me the menu. It's thick, full of colorful pictures. My stomach starts talking right away.
Menus are magic books. They make you hungry just by looking.
I'm scanning everything. Creamy tomato soup, fresh garden salad, spaghetti, grilled chicken, fish of the day, and of course, pizza.
Pizza always wins with you.
Guilty. I call the waiter over. "Excuse me, can I have the cheese pizza, please? And a glass of water."
Nice and polite. Can I have, plus please? That's the golden phrase in restaurants.
He nods, writes it down, and 10 minutes later, boom, hot pizza in front of me. Melted cheese stretching like in cartoons.
Oh, I can almost taste it. That stretchy cheese moment is the best.
I eat slowly, enjoying every bite. When I finish, I say, "The bill, please," pay, leave a tip, and walk out happy.
Simple, right? But so many little English moments in there. Let's bring it to life. Want to play restaurant with me?
Yes, let's do it. I'll be the customer first. You're the waiter at a really nice place.
Welcome to Bella Italia. Good evening. How many in your party?
Just me tonight, thanks. A table by the window, if possible?
Of course. Follow me. Here we are. Beautiful view of the lights outside. Here's your menu and some water to start.
Thank you so much. Everything looks amazing. What do you recommend tonight?
Our special is homemade lasagna, layers of pasta, rich meat sauce, and lots of cheese. Or if you want lighter, the grilled salmon with lemon and herbs.
Lasagna sounds perfect. And could I start with the caprese salad?
Great choice. Tomato, fresh mozzarella, basil, and balsamic. Anything to drink?
A water bottle, please.
Coming right up. I'll bring your salad soon. Here's your caprese. Enjoy. And now the lasagna, fresh from the oven. Careful, it's hot.
Wow, this smells incredible. Thank you.
Take your time. How's everything tasting?
Honestly, one of the best lasagnas I've ever had. The cheese is perfectly melted.
I'm so glad. Would you like to see the dessert menu?
Always room for dessert. What's good?
Our tiramisu is famous. Coffee-soaked cake with mascarpone cream or classic gelato.
Tiramisu, please, and an espresso to finish.
Perfect ending. I'll be right back.
This tiramisu, it's light, sweet, just the right amount of coffee kick. Amazing.
Happy to hear that. Here's your espresso. Whenever you're ready, just ask for the bill.
The bill, please. Everything was wonderful. Great service, too.
Thank you. That's $38. Card or cash?
Card. And here's a tip. You deserve it.
You're too kind. Please come back soon.
I definitely will. Good night.
Wow, Jack, you're a classy customer.
And you're an awesome waiter. Okay, switch. Now I'm the waiter at a fun family diner. You're coming in with friends.
Perfect. Hi there, table for three, please.
Right this way. Best booth in the house. Here are your menus. I'll grab some waters. Be right back.
Thanks, we're starving.
No problem. Ready to order or need a minute?
We're ready. I'll have the chicken Caesar salad. My friend wants the classic burger with fries.
Medium on the burger, cheese and bacon.
Yes to both. And the third person wants fish and chips.
Great choices. Drinks, Coke, lemonade, iced tea.
2 lemonades and 1 iced tea, please.
Got it. Food won't be long.
Okay, salads and fish first. Burger coming in 1 minute. This Caesar looks fresh. Love the crispy croutons.
House specialty, and here's the burger. Extra fries because you look hungry.
You read our minds. Everything tastes fantastic.
Awesome. Save room, our milkshakes are thick and creamy.
We can't resist. 1 chocolate, 1 vanilla, 1 strawberry, please.
Coming right up, thick enough to stand a spoon in.
These are dangerous. So good. Okay, we're stuffed. The bill, please.
Here you go, 45 total. Thanks for coming in.
Keep the change. You made our night fun.
You guys are the best. Come back anytime soon.
That was so much fun. I feel like we just ate a real meal.
Me too, and we practiced so many useful lines without even trying.
Exactly. Things like, what do you recommend? Could we have the bill? Everything was delicious.
Let's try one more style. Fast food drive-through. Quick and easy.
I'm in the car. Pull up to the speaker.
Welcome to Quick Burger. Can I take your order?
Hi, I'll have a cheeseburger combo with medium fries and a Coke.
Want to make it large for just $1 more?
Sure, why not? And add a hot apple pie.
Perfect. That's $11.50 at the window.
Thanks. Pulling up now.
Here's your food, fresh and hot. Have a great day.
You too. Smells amazing.
Fast food saves the day when you're in a rush.
Totally. Now imagine a cozy little cafe in the afternoon.
I love cafes. Quiet music, coffee smell everywhere.
Let's go. I walk in.
Hello, welcome. Take any seat you like.
That corner table looks perfect. Can I see the menu?
Here you go. Today's pastries are fresh. The croissants are flaky and buttery.
Sold. 1 almond croissant and a cappuccino, please.
Coming right up. Foam or cinnamon on top.
Cinnamon, thanks.
Here's your cappuccino, nice latte art heart, and warm croissant.
This is heaven. Thank you.
Enjoy. Perfect for relaxing or meeting a friend.
Cafes are my happy place. Good coffee, sweet treats, no rush.
Breakfast restaurants are a different energy, bright and busy.
Pancakes, eggs, bacon smell waking you up.
Let's do a quick breakfast scene.
Good morning. Table for 2?
Yes, please. Coffee to start?
Absolutely. 2 large coffees. 1 with milk, 1 black.
Got it. Menus are here. Our pancakes are fluffy and huge.
We'll share a stack of blueberry pancakes and eggs Benedict for me.
Poached eggs on muffin with hollandaise. Rich and delicious.
Sounds perfect. Add some crispy bacon on the side.
Coming soon. Enjoy the coffee.
These pancakes are stacked high with syrup running down. Pure happiness.
Breakfast like that starts the day right.
Friends, restaurants come in all kinds. Fancy Italian, busy diners, quick drive-thrus, quiet cafes, big breakfast spots.
And every time you go, you get to practice real English in a happy situation.
Next time you eat out, try saying one new phrase. Smile, speak slowly. People will love helping you.
You've got this. English at the table is easy English.
We had so much fun today pretending and chatting.
Can't wait for the next adventure. Maybe shopping, travel, or the beach?
Whatever it is, we'll make it fun together.
Thank you for hanging out with us on the Rose English channel.
Rose and Jack here, your English friends who love food and chat.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and eat something delicious today.
See you very soon. Bye for now.
Bye, friends. Have an amazing, yummy day.